Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will showcasing some stunning shoes ideas. The high heel is a fun and unique concept for a shoe and I'm creating a video about it. Girls that like to wear high heel, these heels are perfect. The bright secret weapon, a soft romantic music track plays in the background. The voices and the girls that want to wear these shoes are elegant. They say that a girl's wedding day is most magical day of her life, but let's be real, it's also a marathon in a beautiful white dress. We will go to walk down a side stand for photo, dance the night away, and you were accepted to do all in heels that are basically work of art, but definitely not made for comfort. I was dreading. I wanted to look elegant, to feel tall and graceful, but I want to enjoy my night without my feet screaming at me. So I started thinking, what if I have to choose between beauty and comfort? What if I could have both? And that's how I found my secret weapon, the double high heels. It's not what you think, it's not two heels stacked on top of each other. It's a beautifully designed shoes with a hidden secret, a secret that gives you all the height and elegance of a stiletto but with the stability and sport of a platform. The first heel is the classic that gives me that beautiful elongated but right behind it, tucked away just enough to look like a single shoes is the second smaller heel. It's a second point of contact that distributed the weight, making it feel like we were walking on the air instead of a tightrope. So on my big day, I wanted just a bride. I was a bride who could thrill, who would dance, and who would even run if she wanted to. And the best part, no one even knew my little secret. They just saw a happy bride gliding effortlessly through the perfect day. The ultimate shoes have a fun and energetic script. We all love a good heel, right? They make our leg look incredible. They give us confidence, strength. But let's be honest, they are basically elegant and wrapped in pretty fabric. We all been there, limping home at the end of the night, holding our shoes and going to just wear sneakers from now. This is not just a shoes, it's a revolution. Imagine a single shoe with two distinct heels. The first one is a classic heel we all know and love, but a little further back there is a second smaller heel. These genius designs create a wider base of support, balancing out of your weight and taking the pressure of all of your feet. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we were showcasing some stunning shoes, plain heel with elegant colors and gorgeous styles. Have you ever looked at the pair of heels and thought, I love the lift, but what if I could have all the style with none of the struggle? What if you should glide through your day with an effortless grace? Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.